What's up everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into our another video. So this time I'd like to share you how to import the picture in Krita. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, to import the image, so here there will be two cases or two options, whether that making it into the background or just import it as usual. For example, if you would like to import the picture and make it into the background, so you can go to this open image into the start, or click this file and click open, which one do you prefer. And for example, I will start to select the picture from my device, and for example I will choose this picture and click open. So this picture gonna be the background into your working page or into your project, guys. So you can also put the layer or add the layer over here, and you can continue to do your project. And if you would like to create or import the picture but into the background that has already provided, so the method gonna be a little bit different, guys. So you go to this file and click new, and after that you can start to choose this dimension, whether that the image size and also the orientation, whether that the landscape or portrait, and also the color over here. You can click create, and there will no any picture yet over here. And usually for this background, usually being locked so that the color cannot be changed anyway. And if you would like to import the picture over here, so you can go to this file and import animation frames like this, and after that you can add the image, and you can start to select the picture from your device. For example, I will choose this one and click open, and after that you can continue to click OK. And you'll see that the picture that we have just imported is covering all over the background, and even it's kind of not fit with the background. So you can also change the size by click this transform and select this picture. And after that, if you see the settings over here, you can start to drag it, and you can start to resize it manually like this. And if you would like to place it or make sure that it is fit with the background, so you can give it the combination of Control and minus like this. And for example, I will put it precisely into this background and make it fit into the background. So this will be the result, guys, if we import the picture and also it still has the background behind like this. Or you can also make this picture as the background by using the ways too, or using the previous way. So that's all, guys. Don't forget to try this tutorial, and I hope this video finds you helpful. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on the comment section, because we would love to share comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.